Cek sound, balik ke channel gua ya guys ya. Oke, kali ini kita bakalan lanjutkan lagi guys. Main quest dari game Wuthering Waves ya guys ya. Akhirnya guys bisa ku lanjutkan gitu ya kan ya recordan ini. Jadi let's go langsung saja. Oke. Terakhir sampai mana kita ya? Gua sampai lupa, Cok. Sudah beberapa hari nih guys setelah habis record ya.
Fulvia, 2 large platters please, with 2 bottles of hard port.
Anjay, mau minum-minum kita guys.
I heard she left the Bow of Legions.
That's enough, folks. You know the rules. No gossip outside the arena.
Anjay, tidak boleh gosip guys.
Just dig in.
Just dig in.
Still got that fire, huh, Fulvia?
Fulvia, siapa itu Fulvia?
Finally cut ties with the Silvers, eh? With the way they handle the share of profits, you should have left sooner.
Apa itu artinya? Sabar, seperti biasa ya guys ya. Kalau kita tidak tahu artinya, kita menggunakan Google Translate gitu ya kan. Sabar. Kita ke translate. Oke, ini dia guys. Kamu seharusnya berbicara apa itu? Fokus, ayo, cahaya. Itu dia. Kau seharusnya bicara, akhirnya memutuskan hubungan dengan keluarga Silva. Ya, dengan cara mereka menangani pembagian keuntungan. Kau seharusnya pergi lebih cepat. Handle the share of profit.
Well, back then a strong backer was exactly what I needed. Can't say it was all bad.
Ya, katanya tidak semuanya buruk
So,
gitu loh.
This is your new partner. Looks like you can handle yourself.
Guys, dikatain mandiri kita guys. You can tell just by looking. The most dependable one in all of the solar at you serve. Oke, ini lah.
Can't keep a tavern running for long if you don't have a good eye.
Can keep traveling running for a long.
By
Apa
the
nih?
way, Heart Pour is sold out today. Guess the celebrity branding really worked.
Anjay.
What? Oh, come on.
Abis, Cok.
What's Heartpour?
Apa itu hardcore? Makanan jenis apa itu?
A drink I endorsed. Most of the drinks I promoted were... but this one's actually really good.
Ya. Jutek deh, Cok.
If my name's on it, you don't have to worry about quality. It's just that the taste... Well, let's just say it's meh. At best.
Katanya yang paling bagus lah intinya.
Anyway, I'll get you a taste of Heart Pour later. For now, let's enjoy the meal.
Wis, anjay.
So, fellow warrior, any stories to share? There is still much to learn about each other.
Apa nih? Kita saling sharing ya.
Hey Lupa, got a message from old Abius. He said the new batch of restored footage just arrived, including those about Contender Mia.
Apa itu? Apa ini? Apa ini?
Thanks! Oh, I almost forgot with everything going on lately.
Restored footage?
Apa itu?
Recordings of major matches or famous contenders. Helpful for those who want to learn from them.
Sabar, translate lagi ya. Seperti biasa guys. Rekaman pertandingan besar atau pacing terkenal bermanfaat bagi mereka yang ingin belajar. Intinya replay guys. Kalau di Mobile Legends dia replay.
F4 Augustus are the most popular. 4 years ago, she became the champion and a household name by crushing every single opponent. From there, she worked her way up into the F4 seat.
Apa? Sabar. Bahasanya terlalu tinggi. Nah, seperti biasa ya guys ya. Kita bisa pakai bahasa normal gitu nah. Adalah yang paling populer. 4 tahun lalu ia menjadi juara dan nama yang dikenal luas dengan mengalahkan setiap lawannya. Dari sana ia naik ke kursi opur. Oke.
But I prefer watching Contender Mia's matches over any of the past champions.
Tapi aku lebih suka Contender Mia. Dia lebih suka Cok. menonton pertandingan kontender Mia daripada pertandingan juara sebelumnya. Kenapa tuh?
I think she's got real heart. You can feel it. Even through the recordings. The way she threw herself into every fight.
Anjay.
Do you think we'll face her
Kayak
in
menemukan
Zagon?
jati diri. Do you think we'll face her?
Not likely. She disappeared during a great Aegon years ago.
Ya, saya tidak join dia guys, menghilang.
Some say she got tangled up in illegal betting scandals. Others think the pressure from her manager drove her to leave Septimont. There are plenty of rumors, but no one knows what really happened.
Mengira tekanan dari manajernya yang membuat meninggalkan Septimon. Ada banyak rumor tapi tidak ada tahu yang benar apa yang terjadi.
Still, it's frustrating to just disappear halfway through.
Halfway through apa? Halfway through-nya? Menghilang begitu saja di tengah jalan.
If you fail to make it to the end, people will see you as nothing.
Anjay, betul sekali ya guys ya. Tidak ada yang akan melihatmu kalau tidak jadi apa-apa.
Solace never disappoints. Their dishes hit the spot every time. Now that our bellies are full, time to relax.
Guys, istirahat kah kita?
To Leonidas Hotel. It's the best place for travelers in Septimont. I've got a long-term rental there myself.
Oke, istirahat kita guys. Nyantuy dulu, nyantuy.
Shouldn't we start there?
Kita sudah kenyang, waktunya istirahat. Ini sore ya guys, kalau suaraku masih agak kurang mantap gitu ya. Masih agak serak-serak, tidak jelas gitu ya kan.
Welcome to your new spot. It's a nice suite,
Anjay.
and it's yours anytime you need it during your stay in Septimont.
Orang kaya ya. Buset mention. Wih, lagunya guys, semoga tidak copyright ya.
I've been a name in the arena for years now. I'm doing all right. Besides, it didn't hurt the hotel owner gave me a nice discount.
Oh, diskon guys, anjay.
You know, gladiating means everything to me.
Wih, bolehlah ini jadi. Aduh, gimana cara thumbnailnya? Oh, kita sabar guys, kita SS dulu ya. Hup. Bolehlah ya.
I really, really love it. I know I'm lucky. I know what I want and I'm doing what I love.
Wih, inilah yang dinamakan dengan menemukan jati diri.
Compared to those drifting through life, I've already been given so much. But sometimes,
Aduh, apa nih? But sometimes.
well, sometimes I feel a little afraid.
Takut kenapa kamu lupa?
I was born for this, but the more I embrace it, the more I fear losing it.
Loh, apa itu? Bukankah kalau orang merayakan sesuatu dia semakin bahagia, tapi kok ada merasa yang hilang ini? Kenapa
I
ini?
can't help but wonder, what is it that fills me up when I'm under those lights? My passion for the fight? Or the favor it brings me?
Ini dalam nih. Apakah itu menjadi apa tujuan passionku? Apa itu passionku? Atau membawaku or the bring force feed me? Pokoknya itulah.
If one day I...
Cek sound. Oke, kita kembali lagi ya guys ya. Sorry guys, ada gangguan sedikit tadi ya. Apa ini? Jika hari itu datang, mungkin kamu akan bisa mengatakan aku cinta hidup ini. Anjay, kenapa jadi mellow begini anjay? Ya, you would if you truly love it. That's something only you can figure it out. Ya, itulah.
Well said. It's my life to live, my path to walk. If I don't make my choices, who will? That's how you live life without regrets.
Anjay, itulah hidup bro. Begitu hidup bro, jangan menyesal bro. Itu pilihan hidupmu ya guys. Jadi ingat guys, bagi kalian yang memiliki tujuan hidup, pilihlah sesuai yang kalian yakini dan yang kalian inginkan. Bukan karena kata-kata dari orang lain ya. Karena bukan mereka yang merasakan masa depan kalian, tapi diri kalian sendiri guys. Dalam ini dalam ya.
Tomorrow is the semi-finals. We'd best get some rest.
Oke, disuruh istirahat kita guys. Ayo kita bantai mereka, bro.
Good night, my fellow warrior.
Anjay, apa nih? Ada yang aneh nih, guys. Something strange ya, something strange. Oke, istirahat, guys. Ya, kamu istirahat di sofa, bla 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 dan bla bla bla. Tiba-tiba mimpi.
Minds of them. All around me.
Wih, apa nih?
Music coming from above.
Apa ini, cok? Wah, tiba-tiba kok mimpi, ulala.
This is but an illusion. One of the nights, one of dreams. Not like the spectacle you saw in the glimmer of the carnival. Here, I am not your foe, nor can we harm each other, should we so wish. Lay your blade to rest, if only for now. 'Tis a pleasure to see you again, on this special stage.
Wih, apa ini? Prolova.
A city wild and beautiful, chasing endless glory. Tell me, does Septimont please you as much as Raguna once did?
Let's cut the chase. You are connected to Cartesia Disperance.
Ah, so it is she you seek. It appears this special resonator has you rather captivated.
Apa itu captivated? Sabar ya. Lala. Semakin lama, semakin dalam saja pembicaraan ini dan saya semakin tidak mengerti. Tampaknya resonator spesial ini cukup memikatmu.
Let's take our time. I would like our talk to be pleasant. No one will bother us here.
Tidak ada yang mengganggu kita di sini.
I have an associate who adores the heroic tales told throughout this land. For this reason, the missing girl you seek and the anomaly you sensed in Septimont, they are indeed threads in this tapestry. You could call it an obsession of his.
An obsession? Apa ini? Is this, brother? Kamu bisa menyebutnya obsesinya. Berhenti berobsesinya. Stop being around the bush. Tell me what you really come to say. Inilah.
Every hero's tale begins with a trial.
Alah, bacot.
Your wisdom and courage, your compassion and resolve, your hope and madness. Will they be strong enough to carry you through the trial? To make you the hero of the story?
Apa ini? Kebijaksanaan, keberanianmu, belas kasih dan tekadmu, harapan dan kegilaanmu. Will apa itu? Akankah mereka cukup kuat untuk membawa melewati cobaan ini untuk menjadikanmu pahlawan dalam kisah ini?
Read it. I hope the story speaks to you. The answers you seek lie within these pages.
Apa ini? Buku apa ini? Buku apa ini?
If we continue to meet as foes, the symphony grows monotonous. I confess I find it rather uninspired.
I'll ask again, Frolova. What are you doing here in Septimont? And why give me this?
Ya, kenapa yang dikasih ini?
I am giving this story a little nudge. As of now, you and that blessed maiden from the tower are deeply interwoven in the fate he has spun.
Aduh, apa ini artinya ya? Sampai saat ini dari menara saling terkait erat dalam takdir yang telah dibuat. Apa ini?
So
Kenapa
you're not
kita
the only overseer active in Renacida.
overseer aktif in Renacida?
Scar, your nameless ally, and you. The Fraxidus seems to revel in the company of those with twisted obsessions.
Apa itu? Sekutumu yang tak bermakna dan kamu, Fradikus, tampaknya bersenang-senang bersama orang-orang yang memiliki obsesi yang menyenangkan.
It's not as you imagine. You've already met my associate, you see. He trusts what he sees, not the words of others.
Oke. Kau sudah bertemu dengan rekanku, kau tahu dia percaya pada apa yang dilihatnya, bukan apa yang dikatakan orang lain.
I've already crossed paths with him since arriving in Renacida.
Saya sudah pernah berpapasan dengannya sejak tiba di Renacida.
As a creator, he always hopes his characters will craft twists and turns that he himself cannot foresee.
Sebagai kreator, ia selalu berharap karakter-karakternya akan menghasilkan alur cerita yang tidak dapat diduga sebelumnya.
He believes that the closer one stands to the protagonist, the greater their influence over the tale.
Dia meyakini bahwa semakin dekat seorang dengan tokoh utama, semakin besar pengaruhnya terhadap cerita tersebut.
But the true lead of the story has yet to emerge.
Apa itu? Tapi petunjuk sebenarnya dari kisah ini belum terungkap. Yet
I gave
emerge.
you this play so you can see the ending. That gladiator girl will be the harbinger of the dark tide in Septimont.
The Harbinger menjadi pertanda datangnya gelombang kegelapan di Septimon.
All glory will be consumed, and the pride of heroes will dissolve within a blackened maelstrom. Such is the finale she holds most dear. This is a short story, one that only lasts 3 days. When the final match concludes, so too will this story. You could claim the spotlight by ending her life before the curtain falls. Change the ending, and the tragedy is averted. But should you falter, or worse, warn her of what's to come, the consequences will spiral far beyond anything you can imagine.
What are you
Waduh.
proposing I do? Tell me, what reason do I have to trust a word you're saying, Filova?
Ya, kenapa yang harus percaya pada musuh?
You don't need to trust me. Let my words slip from your thoughts if you wish. As I've already said, the story will unfold as my associate has written it.
Waduh. Wah. Bikin overthinking anjing. Seperti yang telah katakan, ceritanya akan terungkap sebagaimana yang tertulis oleh rekanku.
The choice lies with you. It is a freedom we all hold. Even the wildest imaginations draw from what already exists. So it is with this story. It follows a template, and even its creator cannot escape its confines.
Konvensi itu apa ya? Sabar. Tidak bisa lepas dari batasannya.
Choose wisely, Rover. Time is still on your side. For now.
For
I
now.
look forward to your performance in this grand finale.
Oke. Yalah. Apa nih? Hei, apa ini? Kenapa kita dapat 3 cabang? What is this? Oke, kita lanjutkan sedikit lagi ya guys ya. Kita lanjutkan sedikit lagi ya.
Morning, fellow warrior.
Selamat pagi, Bennett.
Huh. You don't exactly look well rested.
Aduh, katanya kita tidak
Grover
kelihatan
may not
istirahat
have
ya.
told the whole truth, but there's no denying the anomaly here in Septimont. Neither Lupa nor the others here seem to notice that fleeting image. Lupa turning into that unfamiliar girl. I need more clues before making any decisions.
Oke, cari-cari
I'm fine.
informasi kita guys.
Just a bad dream. Let's get going. Our next stop is the Colosseum Olympus, right?
You got it. Let's get going.
Oke bro, let's go bro. Wah, mulai nih. Mulai FPS dropnya guys. Ah, tidak. Hop. Anjay.
Hopefully this helps.
Oh, bisa ambil thumbnail kita nih. Kayaknya ya. Tidak ter-SS, anjay. Lala, pecinta ya, pecinta lupa. Lupa fans. Anjay. Wih,
As
sengel kah kita kah?
expected, the Silvers chose to face us in the semi-finals. The news spreads quickly.
You knew this was coming?
Of course. To them, it's a provocation, and to forfeit would be a disgrace. Dominant Julia must be here. She wouldn't miss a moment like this.
Oh, itu dia tuh.
She's shrewd and exceptionally
Yang punya ya
capable,
Sylvia,
but
guys.
arrogant to the core. She's convinced that she's always right. She doesn't believe in talking things through, thinks it's for the weak. So we'll show her we don't need rigged matches to win. We'll win with pure strength.
Anjay, let's go bro. Apa ini? Wesh. Dewa guys. Anjay, kita disaksikan dewa ini ya. Apa ini? Ada matahari di jidatnya. Oh, ini kalau orang bilang kayak apa? Kok Alexander siapa? Gua lupa sebutannya, Cok. Yang nentuin jempol ke atas, jempol ke bawah itu loh.
4 years have passed, and I stand before you once more, not as a gladiator, but as a witness to the start of this grand event.
Anjay.
You all know well that gladiatorial combat is the lifeblood of our ancient and mighty city.
CCT.
Seize power and fight for victory. Once, we fought to survive on the seas. That same instinct courses through our veins today. The instinct to face fate head on and defy it. Remember, those who cling to glory without the strength to defend it will see it slip through their fingers.
Apa itu artinya? Sabar, translate. Ingat, mereka yang berpegang teguh pada kejayaan tanpa kekuatan untuk mempertahankannya akan melihatnya terlepas dari genggaman mereka. Woi, tersindir begitu, Cok.
Warriors, by the eternal sun, may your courage honor Septimont and prove your loyalty to its spirit.
Anjay.
I look forward to the rise of new heroes in this Aegon.
Anjay, itu dia bro. Let's go bro. Ayolah.
Let the Aegon
Begin. Anjay, apa ini coda naga? Ada ikan terbang. Ada ikan terbang kalau kata Patrick ya. Anjay.
Come, my fellow warrior. Victory is ours for the taking.
4 hours, let's go bro. Betul sekali, lupa. Ini kita langsung battle kah? Oke, tapi sebelum kita masuk ke arena akan kita lanjutkan di next video ya guys ya. Jadi seperti biasa, bagi kalian yang ingin menyaksikan pertarungan Rover, saksikan di next video ya guys. Oke, dan sampai bertemu lagi adik-adik. Bye bye semuanya.